This video consists of slogas 1 to 6 of Narayaniya Dasaga 16 Naranarayana Charita. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Daksho Virinja Tanayoda Manosthanuja Labdva Prasudimiha Shodacha Chabakanya Dharme Trayodacha Dadau Pidrishu Sodam Cha Swaham Havirbuji Sadim Girishe Todam She. Daksha, the son of Brahma, then Manoho Tanujam Labdva Prasudim, getting Manu's daughter Prasudi in marriage, Iha through her Shodasa cha Aba Kanyaha begot 16 daughters. Dharme Trayodasha Dadau, of that he gave 13 to Dharma. Pidrishu Sodam cha, he gave Soda to Pitrus. Swaham Havirbhuvi, Swaha to Agni, and Sadim Girishe Toda Amshe, Sadi he gave to Shiva, who is an aspect of thyself. Daksha Prajapati, the son of Brahma, married Prasudi, the daughter of Manu, and begot 16 daughters of her. He gave 13 of them to Dharmadeva, Swada to Pitrus, Swaha to Agni, and Sadi to Shiva, who is an aspect of thyself. Murtihidramagrighini Sushive Bhavandam Narayanam Narasagam Mahidanubhavam Hejjanmani Pramudidaha Kritaturya Ghoshaha Pushpotkaran Pravavushurnunu Suraukaha. Murti, the wife of Dharmadeva, gave Sushive Bhavandam Narayanam, gave birth to thee as Narayana, Narasagam Mahida Anubhavam, along with Nara of great glory, a Janmani Suraukaha, at whose birth the host of Devas, Pramudidaha, extremely delighted, Krida Turya Ghoshaha, sounding musical instruments, Pushpa Ulkaran Pravavrishuhu, and showering heaps of celestial flowers, Nunuvu Suraukaha, sang hymns in your praise. Meaning, Murti, the wife of Dharmadeva, gave birth to thee as her most glorious son Narayana, along with Nara as inseparable companion. The gods in the heaven rejoiced at this birth, sang hymns in your praise, in accompaniments of musical instruments, and showered heaps of flowers. Daityam Sahasrakavacham Kavajaihi Paridam Sahasravalsara Tamassamarabilavyaihi Paryaya Nirmida Tamassamaro Bhavandau Shishtaiga Kangadamamum Nyahadam Salilam. Daityam Asura Sahasrakavacham Kavajaihi Paridam, known as Sahasrakavaja, who was covered by 1,000 coat of arms. Sahasravalsara Taba Samara Abilavyehi, that is, which could be pierced only by penance for 1,000 years and fighting for the same duration. Bhavandau Paryaya Nirmida Taba Samarau. Hence, you two, Nara and Narayana, taking turns in doing penance and fighting, and once this Asura, Shishta Ega Kadagam Mahuma, that is one who was left with only one coat of armor, Nehadam Salilam, as a sport you killed effortlessly. Meaning, the Asura known as Sahasra Kavacha had 1,000 coats of armors. One who did penance for 1,000 years and also fought with the Asura for 1,000 years simultaneously only could pierce these armors. you as Narayana along with Nara did the required turns and all the covers of the Asura were destroyed but one remained. Then you killed him effortlessly as a sport. Here the story is like this, that this Sahasrakavaja is later born as Karna. Killing of Sahasrakavaja is not seen in Bhagavata, but it is mentioned in Mahabharata. Here, to recollect a sloka of Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says, Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mamanusmara yudhyacha. Bhagavan says that we should fight the battle of life and at the same time keep the mind fixed on God. Next sloka. Anvacharanupadasannabi mokshadharmam tvam bhradruman badarigasramamadhyavalsihi shakrodate shamatapobala nissahatma divyangana parivridam prajikayamaram. Anvacharan practicing Upadishan and also preaching Moksha Dharmam, the path of liberation. Tvam Bhradruman, you along with your brother Nara, Badrikasramam Adyavalsi, he dwelt in Badrikashrama. Chakra Adaha, Indra then, Te Samataba Bala Nissahatma, unable to bear because of jealousy your powers acquired by discipline and penance. Divyanganan Pravridam Prajikaya, that is sent celestial beauties along with Maram, Kamadeva. Meaning, practicing and teaching the path of disciplines leading to liberation. You with Nara, your brother, dwelt in Badrigashrama. Indra, who was jealous of your spiritual powers, which you had acquired by penance and disciplines, sent Kamadeva along with celestial beauties to disturb you. Kamo vasanda malaya nilabandhushali kanda kadaksha vishigair vikasat vilasaihi vidyan muhuragamba mudiksha chatvam vidastayatha jagade mruduhasabaja. Kamaha, Kamadeva, Vasanta Malaya Anila, that is with Vasanta spring season and Malaya breeze. Bandhushali as his associates, Kanda Kadaksha Vishigaihi, with the arrows in the Kadaksha Vishigaihi means sidelong glances of the celestial beauties. Vigasat Vilasaihi and amorous movements. Vidyan muhuhu, piercing again and again. Agambam udishya chatvam, and seeing you unwavered. Bhiruhu, he was frightened. Toya ada jagade mrudu hasabaja. Then with a sweet smile, you told Kamadeva this. Meaning, Kamadeva, accompanied by spring season and the Malaya breeze, tried to attack you many times by the arrows consisting of the celestial women's sidelong glances and their amorous movements. But finding these unaffected by these, he was frightened. Then you smilingly spoke to Kamadeva. With this, the fifth sloka of Dashaka 16 ends. And here we will have a Bhagavad sloka. Jishve kirtaya keshavam muraribum chedo vayasridharam pani dvanda samarchaya chudakatham srodadvayam tusruno Krishnam logaya lojanadvaya harer gacchangri yukmalayam जिघ्रघ्राणमुकुन्दपादतुलसीं मूर्धन्नमाधोक्षजम्. Hare Krishna. If you like this video, press like and subscribe to this video channel and activate the bell icon. Thank you.